Just turn the fans off so
we can hear it.
hear,
right?
yeah.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah, the first time booting it up. Let's go. Very exciting. I'm looking at all of these gear arms to make sure that they're all moving. So that if there's any that are binding, we need to know now.
Yeah.
Right? So far, so good.
Yeah, it's
Sure is slow.
heavy.
I don't think we really have to worry about wind either because it's the other roof is going to deflect the wind out of it, right? I think.
I hope so.
How high up do you want it to go?
Well, what's going on with that piece of rubber there?
What's that?
That
Oh
piece-
no, that's the weather stripping. We're gonna have to replace some of that anyway. So we'll cut a piece down so that we have the profile, and we'll order them and then put it on. Some of these have a mechanical stop built into it, but we don't want to rely on that either.
No, I'm watching, so.
It's very exciting, very exciting. I'm thrilled.
It actually is kind of exciting.
It's stopped.
It's done?
So maybe that's where they have their set
Oh.
micro switch, but I think it's set on. It's hard to say. I don't know if this counts number of rotations to set,
So should I
or
turn
if
it off, or should I just?
put it in the stop. Most of these motors, there's two ways that they do it. Two ways that they set the limit. The limit is either counting the number of rotations that the motor makes from rest position to up,
Yeah.
and the other way that they do it is by measuring the resistance that it has. So when it reaches a certain resistance, it says, okay, we've gone far enough, stopping. This one here, there's nothing stopping it going. So I'm feeling that they've set the limit by the number of rotations.
This is on the phone, so you said you use your overall and
Okay. YouTube. Okay.
Yeah, anytime.
Alright.
Okay, we're gonna let this one rip too.
I think this is going to help the seedlings too. Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. You're gonna get some of the humidity out of here, right?
going?
Yeah, it's going.
Don't blink.
Well, I'm listening for weird sounds too, and we had a little bit of a chunk over there. I could hear it,
I hear it.
right?
Yeah. Am I gonna have to be the one that does this?
You think this one's gonna stop on its own too?
I think so.
Yeah.
It should be stopping soon then.
There we go. Yeah, it should be stopping soon. I feel like
That's it.
Stop.
Yep. So the electricians, they've set the limits, I guess.
Looks like it opened up more.
Okay. What's that?
That one inside looks like it opened up.
Well, I'm looking at the very top of the hoop, and then drawing a line horizontal across.
That's so gonna help the seedlings. I mean, at the end.
Because we don't want this edge to be higher up than the apex of the hoop, right?
Right. Yeah, I mean, I think that's. Well, I don't know. I think that's pretty good.
You think that's pretty good, huh?
I think your bigger risk is if you go too high, the wind.
Right.
That's what makes me nervous.
Yeah. But I think where it is now, right, the height of this is still lower.
Yeah.
The height of that is still lower than the actual height of the center of the peak, and so that'll keep the wind from getting underneath it. Because this is just ventilation, right? Well, that's good. It works good.
Yeah.
Now, if it comes down without a thump, then we know we're okay. Yeah, you got no problem. That's seamless. Very nice. Yeah.
A lot slower than I was expecting, but it was actually better. What's the hurry, really?
Well, yeah, you're right. There. Now, I wish I would have been here when the electricians were doing the wiring so that we could have got an overview of how these motors were connected and everything, but works good. And the doors are opening and closing just like we hoped they would. Surprise, surprise, we built ourselves a greenhouse.